What's the meaning of cochineal? Cochineal. Cochineal.
Cochineal. Cochineal. Cochineal refers to a red dye that is derived from the dried bodies of female insects from the species Dactylopius coccus. The dye is commonly used in food and cosmetic products, particularly in items that require a bright red coloration. The use of cochineal can be traced back to the pre-Columbian era, where it was used by indigenous people in the Americas. Despite its widespread use, some individuals can have an allergic reaction to the dye. Additionally, some consumers may object to its use in food due to ethical, religious, or dietary reasons.